machine. So chapter 4 birds is not coming in examination. So chapter 1, 2 and 3 we have revised. Today we are going to revise this chapter 5, our body and amazing machine. Now children, today we will revise some objective question of this chapter. You please read the chapter line by line, go through it, okay? And try to answer any of the question whichever will be asked to you. So we know that cell is the smallest unit of body. Same type of cell make tissue, join together and make tissue. Then tissue which are involved for the same type of purpose, same function, make organ, and then make many organs which are working together for a same purpose, make a organ system, and this different organ system makes our body. In our body there are 8 organ systems, okay? So in this flow chart, maybe in the flow chart there will the fill in the blanks will come like this, okay? So organ system, it is given here digestive system, and downside there is one block. You have to fill it. What you will fill, what is the function of digestive system, that we will fill here. So we will write here help to digest food. Now here this box is empty, we have to fill this box, and downside it is written removing wastage. Which system removes waste? That is excretory system. So in this box we will fill excretory system. Now here is the circulatory system, and downside we have to fill it, okay? So we know what is the function of circulatory system? Movement of blood, or to circulate blood, okay, in our body. So movement of blood. Now here it is given, we have to fill the name of the system over there, work is given over there like that, support our body. Which system support our body? Skeletal system support our body, so we will fill here skeletal system, okay? Besides this flow system, there is more flow system in our body, okay? Means our body is made up of 8 organ system, okay? 4 is given over there, and rest 4 is there. Respiratory system, what is the function of respiratory system? To respire, means to breathe in, breathe out, okay? For respiration, the work of respiratory system is respiration, help in respiration. Then this is nervous system. What is the function of nervous system? To control and coordinate our body, okay? For control and coordination, this system is working for, okay? Then muscular system, for the movement, okay? It helps in movement. Then reproductive system, it helps to reproduce babies, okay? So this is only our chapter, so let's revise some objective question of this chapter. First of all, what is inhaled air? What the air we are inhaling? Everyone knows now. That is oxygen, okay? Oxygen we are taking in, and carbon dioxide we are giving out. Now the smallest unit of our body is tissue, cell, organ or organ system. Which is the smallest unit of our body? That is cell, okay? Cell is the smallest unit of our body. Now the number of bones in our body is 206, okay? There are 206 bones in our body. How many bones? 206 bones are in our body. The nervous system is made up of what? Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves, or all of this. We know that nervous system is made up of all of this. It is made up of brain, nerves and spinal cord. So answer is all of this. Now here is the fill in the blanks. Cell of the same type joined together to form, cell of the same type joined together to form tissue, okay? Now and dash is made up of different tissue. What is made up of different tissue? Organ. different tissue. Okay, so answer is organ. Dash system help in movement of blood to different part of our body. Which system help in movement of the blood? Circulatory system. So answer is circulatory system. Okay. Excretory system helps to remove dash from our body. Excretory system helps to remove wastage from our body. So answer is wastage. Okay. The undigested food is thrown out through the anus. Okay. That is anus. It is thrown out through the anus from our body. Okay. Now children, here is some one word answer. A special action done by each organ is known as its function. Okay, answer is function. When we are born, we have these many bones. How many bones we are having when we born? We are having 300 bones. Okay, when we born, that time we are having 300 bones, and after that it reduced into 206. And you know why it is reduced? Because some bones are joined together and two bones can become one bone, like that only. So number is reduced. In the starting it was 300, and afterwards when we become adult it become 206. This is the control center of the body. Brain. Okay. Brain is the control center of our body. This system helps in producing baby. Which system helps in producing baby? Reproductive system. Okay. Reproductive system helps in producing baby. Now true and false. There are 8 important systems in human body. Yes, of course there is 8. You can count also. So this is true statement. So answer is true. The air present inside our windpipe trap the dust particles. The air present trap the dust particle, but it is not in windpipe. Okay, it is found in our nostrils. Okay, so the statement is false. Lungs breathe out carbon dioxide. Yes, that is true. Lungs breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So statement is true. Okay, blood moves in a blood vessel. Yes, blood moves in a blood vessel. So answer is true. Okay, this statement is true. Now here is some match the following, like that. Stomach we will match with which system? Stomach is the organ of which system? That is digestive system. Stomach, digestive system. Okay. Heart, what is the function of heart? Pumping blood. Heart, pumping blood. Brain, okay, what is the function of brain? Control center. Brain is the control center. Then lungs helps in what? Breathing. Lungs, breathing. Okay, so here is the match the following. Stomach, digestion. Heart, pumping blood. Brain, control center. And lungs, breathing. Here also same it is. Here heart, we have to match the organ with the organ system. Okay, we have to match with the organ system. So heart we will match with what? Heart we will match with, you match here. Okay, heart we will match with what? Circulatory system. It is pumping blood now. So heart, circulatory system. Brain, nervous system. Brain, nervous system. Stomach, digestive system. Stomach, digestive system. And then lungs, respiratory system. Lungs, respiratory system. Now we will revise some question answer also. Means some internal question we will revise today. Like that I am asking some oral question to you, whether you can give answer or not. How does our food become soft? How does our food become soft? What is the answer? How does our food become soft? When we are eating, children, we are chewing the food nicely, and then saliva mixed properly with the food, and it make a food soft. Okay, understood? By chewing and by mixing with saliva, our food becomes soft. What is the 8 organ system of our body? You can give the answer. 8 organ system what are? You try to learn at least 4 name of 4 organ system. Okay. How is undigested food thrown out of body? Undigested food thrown out of body through anus. Okay. So what is inhaled here? Oxygen. Inhaled means taking in. Okay. Exhaled means giving out. So inhaled here means we are taking in oxygen now. So answer is oxygen. What are the organ of respiratory system? What are the organ of respiratory system? First of all, you know now lungs is there, nose is there. Okay. So the organ of respiratory system is nose, windpipe and lungs. Okay. Then what happened to the air that we breathe in? What happened to the air that is we are breathing in? We are breathing in oxygen rich air now. So this air goes to the lungs, and from there it mixes to the blood, and from the blood it circulates to every part of our body. So you should know at least, if anyone will ask the question from you, maybe your uncle, auntie, you can able to give answer. Okay. So you read this chapter thoroughly. You practice all the objective question of the book and the worksheet. Okay. And learn it. Okay. Learn all the spellings. But now for the objective question, you have to click only. So for the question answer only, you have to learn all the spellings properly. So children, keep on practicing, keep on learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.